What is up, guys? Harlan here, bringing you the third video of the Lego series, and now I'm going to show you my fire equipment truck. Okay, let's look. There's no guy like the police rover, Land Rover, but this is it's a one-seater, and somebody has to hang on right here. And there was supposed to be a light right here, but I lost it. Let's look at the equipment right here. Slide it out. This is where your oxygen tank, and then this hooks up like that. I'm going to show them. Here, let me show you how it is. Grab a guy. Go grab a guy. Grab a helmet. Yeah. Okay, let me show you how it goes. We have. Let's act like we have a water hose here. You put it in the thing. Put the oxygen tank back there. Put this. Well, it goes like that. Then the fire hat. It looks pretty cool. And then he has his things and he squirts the fire. Let me see. That's all I gotta show you. Have a great day.